Hey everyone, welcome back. Today I'll be showing you an AI Copilot that uses the open source CopilotKit framework and the new AGUI protocol. So first of all, why AI Copilots? Now, AI Copilots are smart assistants inside your apps. It can be chatbots or form fillers or maybe data visualizers that can help your users get more things done. And CopilotKit is a full stack framework for building these in-app AI assistants. While it uses AGUI as well, that is a new universal protocol that lets any agent talk to any front end in real time. And the key benefit of this is that there is no need to reinvent the wheel. Why do things again and again when this has it all? This is just a plug-in, pre-built, customizable UI solution to connect with your favorite AI models or agents. This is CopilotKit, an open source and production ready tool which works with React, Next.js, and any other JavaScript framework. These are some use cases to help you better understand how this thing works and where you can fit it in. Yes, this is the agentic application stack. So CopilotKit is what will be facing the user. The user will be seeing this interface and it can also connect with AGUI that is compatible with all these different solutions, LangGraph, Llama Index, Master, AI, CrewAI, all of these. It has the compatibility to connect with all of them. And you can also use any LLM that's out there in the market. Can be Olama, Gemini, Grok, OpenAI, Anthropic. This has the support for all of them. Not to mention, there's also headless UI support, which is something that is really useful as well for developers who are interested in that. And there's also pre-built customizable components, which you can just use. No need to design or any sort. It's already there for you. And it also can go low level when you need it and drop it when you don't. As you can see over here, it has different modes which you can switch from. Here are a few examples. Let's see all the examples they have. Research canvas. Okay, let's try research canvas. Hi, how can I assist you with your research today? Okay, so now it's searching, it's done 3 searches and it's begun to update the resources over here along with their links as well. So as you can see, this is a live demo of the agent itself over here, which has been created as a sort of mini app in this website. And it's really easy to set up CopilotKit as well. It just takes a few minutes. You just need to run npx CopilotKit at latest in it, and then the setup is done. Now all you need to do is import its pre-built customizable UIs and then use it, which you can see in their docs as well. Now let's talk about AGUI. So what is this AGUI protocol? Now this is not to be confused as a sort of replacement for MCP or agent to agent protocol. No, this is a different, it's not a replacement. And AGUI stands for agent user interaction, not agentic UI as some may think. It's agent user interaction. And it's a lightweight open protocol that standardizes this communication between AI agents and front ends. So you can think of it as AGUI being the backend protocol that standardizes how AI agents communicate with the front end, while CopilotKit is the front end part that makes it easy to embed and interact with AI copilots in your application. So let me show you how the agent user interaction protocol connects everything together. So yeah, this diagram, you should be able to see it. Now in this, the entire flow of how the AGUI protocol works is shown. So the application user, that's you or the customer, interacts with your web app. And when a user needs help from an agent that you have created, your app makes an agent call using the AGUI protocol. Now, this AGUI protocol handles communication with your AI backend. Any AI backend, as a matter of fact. It can be CrewAI, LangGraph, Mastra, Amazon Bedrock, or others. The agent will then send a response from this backend, and AGUI will turn it into a standardized message. And then those results will be displayed in your app, whether it's a chat reply or a chart update or any automated task, as we have seen previously in the research canvas example. And the best part is, this means that you're never locked into a single AI framework. You can easily switch, it's a plug and play. You can easily switch from one AI backend to another with this protocol. So let me show you an example of CopilotKit that uses the AGUI protocol. So now you should be able to see this example. Yes, the AI recipe assistant. So this is a front end that's made using CopilotKit, and it's using the LangGraph integration over here with Fast API. So that's the backend part. So let's try improve with AI. Okay, let's see what it makes. All right, this is the improved version. Now let's try these filters. Okay, I see eggs there. So if we select vegan, the eggs should disappear, right? Now let's try improve with AI. Let's see if it goes away. And it's gone. No longer eggs. So as you can see, this agent has performed tasks based on some sort of instructions which have been set by the developer, and it is using the LangGraph packet. So now if I want to switch from LangGraph, I can switch to any of these other options: Pydantic, Vercel, Llama Index, any of these. Let's try CrewAI. So this is how they have set it up for you to follow the instructions so that you can easily do the same. These are the features they support. And to run the example in the tutorial, you just need to run these commands. So it was this one, right? Yes. Now there won't be any change in the front end because that is what the user is supposed to see. The user is not supposed to have a different experience when the backend changes. The backend can change for the developer based on which they want to switch to, but for the user, it will always be a seamless and same experience. So nothing should change and it should just work the same. Yeah, as you can see, the results are not that different from before. And let's try another example, a tool-based generative UI. Hi, I'm a haiku generator. How can I help you? Generate a haiku from the sun. Is that how it works? Let's see what comes. Oh, and as you can see, it has done the task it is supposed to do. There's also human in the loop, in which if you approve of a certain action, only then will it proceed to do that action. Otherwise, it will not. So perform a research on, let's just try the old ones, so penguins, which we tried before. Yes. Now all of these are done, and as you can see, human in the loop. Now the human part is there. If I reject, all of what it did right now will not be taken into consideration. But if I confirm, then it will go ahead with that, and whatever future tools that I have implemented as the next step will take place. Now I have not created this, so I do not know what tools are there behind this. It's just an interactive demo, and I have accepted it, and it has done all that's required with a quirky response. But yes, so this is how the AGUI and the CopilotKit come together. So if you were to see the code of how this works, it's just 3 files, one for the front end, one for the back end, and then just a styling. So this is how it's written for the human in the loop tool. As you can see, it's very detailed. that's for the front end, and this is the backend integration with CrewAI. So as you can see, they have used the GPT-4o model, and this is the system prompt which it used for talking to us. And here is the task tool which it was given. Yep. And now let's see how the front end works. Okay, so this is their docs. Now there are three ways in which you can show the CopilotKit chat. It can either be as a pop-up, as you can see over here, or maybe a sidebar which will appear from the right side, or a Copilot chat that will take the entire window space. There are many different ways, and if you want, you can even change the styling. If you want it in dark mode, you can also do that. It's all customizable, and this is how you use it. So let's see styling the Copilot UI. See, there's a dark mode version over here as well, and it's telling you what you can change in order to get that. This as well. So you can easily override their CSS variables. They have provided all the options you want if you want to customize the color and give it another feel for the same tool. Here are the full list of references, and next, custom subcomponents. So these are the subcomponents which you can swap out anytime of your Copilot UI, or if you want, you can build a completely custom look and feel. These are all defined in TypeScript. So let's see the code for this. Yep, this is the code: custom user message, class name, wrapper styles, and then over here they're using a Copilot sidebar, as you saw previously, the one that appears from the right side. This is how the assistant message will look. This is how the window can look, and here's a look at the button, header, and messages. So there are many different things that you can just plug in and play with this and try to integrate in your application to build very cool things much faster without handling much of the headaches. And the best part about this is that it automatically handles prompt injections. It has this built-in security that you do not need to worry about because it handles that for you. And that's a really cool and really important thing that many applications these days should have, and this already handles it for you. Anyways, that's a wrap up. This is the future of apps, AI copilots working alongside users, powered by open protocols like AGUI and frameworks like these CopilotKit. Just try it out and let's build something awesome together.